welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have a new setup. I have a new beauty room. Yeah. Hi. So, hi guys. Welcome sa aking channel. In today's video, I will be filming a foundation try-on. So, I will be trying on this L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour Stay Fresh Foundation. Yung pinifilm na pala ni Unclutch yung kanyang review nito, meron na pala ako noon. Meron na pala ako nito sa aking makeup collection. And hindi ko lang siya na try pa. So today, ngayon ko pa lang siya i-try and we'll see kung okay siya sa akin. As you can see, bago pa yung foundation, hindi ko pa siya na-try. Nasa packaging pa siya. And buksan na natin. So, I got the shade Radiant Beige. So, I don't know kung ito yung tamang shade for my skin tone. We'll see. So, this is the foundation looks like kapag wala na siya sa packaging. So, that's that. The L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Stay Fresh Foundation. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to use a sponge on half of my face and then brush sa other half of my face. So, nakapag-moisturize na pala ako, guys. That's why medyo makintab yung aking face. And then, magpa-primer na lang ako. And so, my primer that I will be using today, si Clarins. Dito sa Australia, tapos na yung summer namin. And, autumn na ngayon, pero parang summer pa rin. Ha! So, it says here sa packaging, nagupit ko na! Oh, well, naputol kasi, hindi ko siya mabasa. So, ang alam ko lang, it's 24-hour Stay Fresh Foundation. Kasi, wala na. Naputol ko yung backside. Hindi ko siya binasa before. Ang ganda lang kayong packaging. It's a red lid. Dito sa Australia, guys, this one, we call it lid. Yeah, hindi cap. So, yon. So, I'm going to remove the lid and then, so when it comes to foundation, guys, I like yung foundation na pump yung packaging or container kasi ma-control mo yung distribution ng product. My Mario Badisco. So, I'm on the shade, what shade am I? I'm on the shade Radiant Beige 150, and this one has 30 ml. I think the retail price of this one is around $20 to $25, but I got this one just $4 kasi the store na pinagbilhan ko nito parang ano bang tawag dyan? Naglilis na yung kanilang makeup display sa kanilang store. Kaya I got this for $4 na lang. So, I'm going to use this foundation on my left using this sponge right here. The sponge that I got it from eBay. I love this sponge kasi very soft. Yeah. But normally, guys, yung mga foundation nag-o-oxidize sa akin. Ang shade na bagay sa akin, beige, medium beige, natural beige, sun beige, yung mga ganong shade. Pero most of them ay nag-o-oxidize. That's the first layer. Parang wala namang nangyari. Ang problema lang kasi kapag gumamit ka ng sponge, ina-absorb ng sponge yung product. Dagdagan natin ng second layer. Maganda siya. Sabi dito, ano siya, matte foundation. Pero meron siyang SPF 15 to protect you from the sun. Yan, nag-oxidize siya sa akin, guys. Dang. So, that's the with foundation with 2 layers. And that's without. Parang mas maputi pa yung area na to compared here. So, ganitin na natin siya on the other side using a brush. We'll see kung magustuhan ko siya using a sponge or a brush. Ha! What? Hala! Ano na? Ang kapal! So, pag ginamit mo yung brush, ang kapal ng kanyang coverage. See guys, so this is the first application. Then here, nag-darken na siya. Like what I said, nag-oxidize yung foundation sa akin. See? And here, nag-dark na siya, diba? The next time, pag bibili ako ng foundation, ano yan? Ano na lang? 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. Maganda yung kanyang coverage in fairness. Yun lang talaga yung mga ayaw ko sa foundation, nag-oxidize sila sa akin. Pero I like the finish of this side right here than this one. I don't know. For me guys, it's either a brush or sponge yung gagamitin mo. Maganda naman yung finish ng application using both. So, kapag mahilig ka sa sponge, you can use it, no problem. At kung mahilig ka gumamit ng brush, you can use it as well. It says sa packaging na ang foundation ay matte foundation. Pero parang I can see na may glowy sa aking area right here and on my cheek part. Medyo sticky siya kunti para sa akin. So when I bought this foundation guys, I don't have really a choice to get another shade kasi nag-iisa na lang yung foundation na to. And then I bought with some other of this one. This is the Loreal Infallible na sumikat din to before. Ito yung favorite foundation ko dati. Nakaubos na ako ng 2 nito. Like this one, nag-oxidize din siya sa akin. As you can tell, nag-darken na yung aking face. Probably, if I will use this one again, i-mix ko na lang siya with the lighter foundation. But, yan siya. Alright. So, alright guys, I will be right back. I will finish off my makeup. So, this is only foundation application and there's nothing more in there. No everything. So, alright guys, I will finish off this makeup and I will be right back. So, alright, I'm back with my makeup on. So, let's remove muna this headband here. So, that's the makeup look that I did off cam. So, the foundation, I like it. So, all the oiliness here on my cheeks, that's highlighter, guys. I didn't see any creases on my foundation. So, I don't have really a foundation problem when it comes to foundation application. So, only the problem that I've encountered when it comes to foundation is nag-oxidize siya sa aking face. If you ask me if I will wear this, definitely yes, pero hindi ganito ka thick yung layer na gagawin ko. So when I'm going out, like going shopping or going to the mall or going to see my friends, I normally just wear a very thin layer of foundation. This makeup look is like my house look, so I don't go outside with this makeup on. No. No. So, okay lang kahit nag-oxidize siya. okay pa rin naman kahit papano. So, ganyan yung aking face. I still set my foundation, guys, even though it's here, it's matte. I don't like kasi foundation na sticky sa face kapag hindi mo siya sinet. So, ngayon, wala nang stickiness. It's all good.
Meanwhile, finally!
Hey guys, now I'm back for my last update for my foundation try-on. It is now 10:16 in the evening and I've been wearing this foundation for 9 hours already. Magbablat ako guys para makita natin kung gaano ka oil ang aking face. Because sabi sa claim ng foundation, it is a matte foundation for 24 hours. So yes, so I have a blotting paper here. The brand is Sports Girl. So, ang cute nito guys. So, where you can find a blotting paper like this is so cute. Para siyang pressed powder. Meron siyang buff. Pero walang powder dyan guys. Because that is a paper. So, hindi ko to gagamitin. Mag-blot lang ako. Using this Sports Girl blotting paper. Ang maganda sa blotting paper na to guys, para siyang pressed powder. So, meron na siyang salamin. So, mag-blot tayo. Kung meron tayong oil na makuha. Dito sa Tayson, meron. Seriously. Of course, I'm oiling up because I've been wearing this foundation for 9 hours already. Unbelievable. And my makeup though is still like intact for 9 hours. So, yan yung nakuha. Mayroong foundation sa blotting paper. So, let's get a dry one and so, yun yung oil from my face na prove na ni foundation na long lasting siya. Wala siyang transfer on my. So, overall, I like this foundation. I'm going to wear this on the weekend. Meron akong dalawang event na aatinan. So, yeah. So, I like it. I like it. So, I don't normally wear foundation this late. So, ito lang kasi nagtatry on ako ng foundation. Kasi, meron akong client tomorrow. Hopefully, this shade is matches to her skin tone because she is a Australian lady. She's not a Filipino lady. So, alright guys, that's conclude of my trying out this foundation. So, the foundation works very good on my skin. So, the foundation works amazingly on my face, so I don't really encounter any problem like cakiness on my nose. Wala akong masabi. I can see it on my face that it works so well on my face, on my skin. So I have a combination. It's a sensitive and oil skin on my T-zone. So, alright guys, that's conclude of my foundation try on this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte stay fresh foundation. So, kayo na humusga. It's already 9 hours on my face. Nag-film ako ng 2 video this afternoon. So, alright guys, that's it for my video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also guys, please ring the bell so that you will be notified every time I have new uploads. It's either a DIY video or a beauty video like this one right here. Alright guys, that's it, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time right here on my channel. Bye guys! Mwah.